Hello, my soil fam bam. So I am out here in the direct sunlight with my chickie baby Seal, and we are here to teach you a little bit about purposeful or functional fashion for your chickens. So yes, I have my girl Seal here, which is one of my Bantam chickens, and baby, her living arrangements, like, she did not get along with the OG girls. They actually ganged up on her, and because she's a Bantam chicken, meaning that she's smaller than the normal chicken, I just did not want to risk it. And it seemed as though Big Red, our rooster, and I'm sure you'll hear him throughout the video, he's the one with the deep commanding voice. Not that one, that's one of our little men. But anywho, I was like, you know what? They're getting along. He protects her. Had no problems with it. So in the gated community, if you guys remember, there's multiple condos. So Seal has been staying in the condo with Big Red. And baby, Big Red, that's Big Red. So look, he know his name. He like, you talking about me? What's up? Big Red been wearing our girl out, okay? And that is the whole purpose of Hen Saddles. So even though, yes, on my channel you have seen that I had my girls wearing these saddles even before I ever had a rooster for fashion purposes, but who said that fashion can't be purposeful, that it can't be functional? So right now I have a saddle on Seal, and I'm going to show you guys, because I'm going to take it off, show you how easy it is to take off, and you would do basically the inverted version of what I do to take it off. To put it on, it's very easy, and then also show you the reason why Seal is wearing it, because it's not just for fashion. Although, I mean, come on, can we give it for the contrasting colors that's bringing out the beautiful aspect of her feathers? Because you guys might can see it, but her black feathers in the sun, just like Lulu's, it turns different colors, and I mean, it just highlights it. It's a yes, girl, yeah. All of that, yes, she's just like, and I'm slaying. Like Lulu got the pedicure, yes, she's slaying with the chili hot pepper nails, but baby, Seal, you're killing it with this saddle. Okay, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to take off. So you have small elastic straps that, but look, maybe she's concerned about getting naked in front of the camera, but it's for educational purposes. So you see, it's just a little elastic band, and you just move it around their wing, and voila, it's off. All right, so you can kind of see right here, this is not what this baby's feathers look like. This is because, as I said, our boy Big Red been wearing her out. So basically you can see exposed skin right there, like right there, that's a bald spot. All right, I'm going to lift up her wing so you can see it a little bit more. Yes, and see what happens is, this is exactly where the roosters mount the hen. And like I said, he been wearing a girl out, okay? And the reason why you want to catch this is because this can become a very tender, a very sore place for Seal, as well as if you allow it to continue on, sores could appear, and next thing you know, infection is near. So you want to make sure that you get on top of that. And yeah, if you can, change living arrangements, or if you can't, that saddle will do. So what we're going to do for Seal, as I said, we're going to change her living arrangements. It's time. I have, had her have a small little meeting with Big Lou. Yes, Big Lou walked off, but I'd rather Big Lou walk off than to start instantly pecking, because Big Lou is at the top of the pecking order. And at the end of the day, the pecking order is the pecking order. Chickens' innate nature is going to take place. So realistically, because she is smaller, she's the new girl on the block, because she's always been protected by Big Red. The other girls have known about her this whole time. We've tried to introduce her other times, but she was younger. Now's the time that, our baby gonna stand up for herself. So what we've been doing right now, we've been doing a whole little, I don't want to call it self-care, because she's not doing it, I'm doing it, but okay, never mind, she said call it self-care. So we've been giving her the lettuces, been boosting up her confidence, been giving her the clothing, been rubbing her, all the things to make sure that she know, like, she that girl. So when she walks in there, she can say, I'm that girl. That don't take away from y'all being that girl, but I'm that girl too. All right. And then, you know, hey, my position is my position. I will play my position. But hey, we all gonna respect one another. And so that's what we're hoping to do. And I know it might sound like, girl, for real, but yes, for real, because that's the same exact thing that I did with Lulu. When Lulu was the runt of the crowd, like, speak life into your babies and make sure that they know, like, you that girl, you here for a reason. Nobody can take away from the fact that you're that girl. So just tell everybody, hey, respect me as that girl. You be that girl. You be that girl. And we'll all be that girl. And we'll be cool. You know? All right. So I hope this was, and that's on period. Tell them. Talk your stuff, girl. Tell them. All right. So thank you so much for being part of this educational piece. I hope this was helpful to you all. And now we about to get about this sun, get some shade, get some cool water, get some more lettuce, maybe even get a small tomato or so from the garden, and have our introduction party, or I shouldn't say introduction party, our moving party. All right. So talk to y'all later. She says bye. Okay. She says she love y'all too. Okay. She also said you'll see more of me. All right. Come through. We ain't at it.